Welcome to this very short video on business analyst job search. This is an oftenly asked question that whenever I search for a business analyst job profile, I also see the requirements for Tableau and Power BI and similar reporting tools. So do I need to learn even Tableau and Power BI to become a business analyst? So the first one is a business analyst, which is a generalist business analyst who is required to work on development and maintenance projects. These are pure IT projects. Then we need business analysts to work on data science and data analytics projects. The third type of business analysts are those business analysts who are required to work on product and domain specific business analysts, which means that there is a big category of business analysts who are required in the industry without data analytics or product or domain knowledge. This is the category where we see the Power BI and Tableau requirements. So whenever you see such requirements specific to Power BI and Tableau, please don't apply. Just have a quick look at the key requirements which are generally advertised. I have taken it from one of the job portals which are there for a generalist business requirement which do not require any analytics or domain knowledge. Hope this will help you in making your search more effective and successful. All the best and thanks for watching the video.